Guys, check it out. We got a Liberty Walk custom Dodge Challenger RT 5.7 Hemi. Let's go ahead and take a look and show you guys this Challenger. All right, we'll do a full like 360 walk around so you guys can see it. This is crazy, absolutely crazy. It's got Fast and Furious stickers on it too. It looks cool. I like it. And then check out the exhaust. Oh, it's got the Hellcat spoiler on it. That's sick. And then look at it's got the quad tips, but like in a weird way. But it looks like a Japan spec, if that makes sense. Wow, dude, that's cool. I like it. Looks cool. Specific to Japan. We are in Japan after all. It's on Vossen wheels. Yeah, Voss. Yeah, that's cool. That's sick. That is actually genuinely sick, dude. It just makes me happy to see a car like this in Japan. Even though it's not a Scat or a Hellcat, but it's okay. It's a Dodge Challenger. Don't mind the wind. So it is currently raining. This car was made, I believe. It's a custom made car. It says Edge right here. Not sure what that means. Okay, so we do have another Challenger. It's the same car as this, but this one here has Hellcat badges on it. And not Hellcat, excuse me, SRT. Let's show you it. All right, let's take a look. So as you guys can see, it's got the SRT badging. It's the same car. It has a bit more stickers, and it's in Destroyer Gray, which I love. These are the wheels. I don't even know what those wheels are. That's so cool. Oh, he's starting it up. Sheesh, this sounds great. How's it going? I just want to record. So I got the owners here. We're gonna kind of show you guys his Challenger. We're gonna quickly take a look. So can't walk in the dirt, but yeah, the car was made from Edge Customs. That's who it's made by. So yeah, it's cool, man. Even though it's got SRT badges, but it is what it is. So this is so cool. Is it 5.7 Hemi, right?
Oh, yes.
Hemi? Can you remote start it? Hi. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, dude, this is sick. This is so cool. And his car's left-hand drive. He's about to start it up. Wow, dude. That sounds great. Sounds really good.
Create good sound.
Yeah. No, absolutely. Yeah, that's great. It sounds amazing. Wow.
Full straight muffler.
Oh, straight pipe. Full straight muffler.
Full straight.
So does it have headers for down pipe? No down pipe, right? Down pipe, as in you know on the headers, the catalytic converter. Did you remove? Sugoi. And then your car sounds the same, right? 5.7 Hemi. Yeah, we're gonna check out his car too. Yo, that sounds great, bro. That sounds great. Yeah, this is cool, man. Yeah. Wow. Oh, you got the red Alcantara. Sheesh, that's fire. Sugoi. Wow, dude. Not bad. It's a straight pipe. It's a straight pipe 5.7 Hemi. Wow. That sounds great, dude. Japanese spec. I love it. That's so cool. Alright guys, so we got this Liberty Walk Challenger, and then we got this Liberty Walk Challenger. It's so cool to see American muscle in Japan. But let me know what you guys think of these Challengers. Comment down below. Let me know how's it feel to see a Challenger in Japan, of all places. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take it easy. Peace.